All right, the drink we are about to make is called Beau's Rum and Coke. Evidently, whoever made up this drink really liked the name Beau and they wanted to stretch it out a little bit. So, don't be afraid to stretch it out when you call out what you want. We're going to do 1 shot of dark rum and also 1 shot of Barbados rum. Follow that up with a half a shot of 151. And try not to break the glass. And next we'll just go ahead and mix these together real nice. All right. And let's put that in there. And now we're going to add Coca-Cola. Just fill it the rest of the way with Coca-Cola. Squeeze in a couple of limes. Try to get about a half an ounce of fresh lime juice. And go ahead and throw those in there. Let's mix it up. And we are ready for our glass. Pour it in. And you have a Beau's Rum and Coke. Bottoms up.